How is Microsoft Project Online like Fortnite? It's not. Simple as that. But hey, I've been stuck at home and my son's been bugging me to get him set up on Fortnite, so I thought I'd try to learn a little bit about it. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about new content. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please like, comment, or share. Let's compare. Fortnite is an online application. Microsoft Project Online is also an online application. Fortnite is a game. Microsoft Project Online is a project and portfolio management business collaboration application. Fortnite was released in 2017. Microsoft Project started back in the 80s and has matured into a full-featured PPM system. Fortnite is a first-person shooter survival game. Microsoft Project is a survival tool for project and program managers, project executives, and project team members. Fortnite has entertained more than 200 million players and might just be the most popular game in the world. Microsoft Project is the world's most popular project and portfolio management system, with more than 20 million users and more than 15,000 companies worldwide. Fortnite is free and has 3 distinct game modes. You can buy things in the game with V-Bucks that you buy with real money. Microsoft Project has 5 ways it can be licensed: the traditional Microsoft Project Professional, Project Server, Project Online, Project Essentials, and the new Project for the Web. Western Principles can help you figure out which Microsoft Project licenses you need. The goal in Fortnite is to hunt down and kill your opponents, and to be the final survivor on the island. The goal of a project is to collaborate together to build something, and Microsoft Project Online is perfectly suited to project, process, and document collaboration on things like assignments and updates, risks and issues, and document reviews and approvals. In Fortnite, players can build structures and traps. With Microsoft Project Online, teams can collaborate together to build pretty much anything. Fortnite has online chat amongst players that is often used to taunt opponents. Microsoft Project Online uses the power of Microsoft Presence and chat or voice and video calls through teams to collaborate together. Fortnite is rated T and not recommended for kids under 12. Sorry, son. Microsoft Project is a business application that should be used by anyone who's planning and running a project of any size or complexity. You can pull off a variety of dance moves while you're playing Fortnite. With Microsoft Project Online, you can celebrate successful project completion. My son has to wait a few more years to play Fortnite, but Western Principles can get you started with Microsoft Project Online right now. Western Principles is a Microsoft Gold certified project and portfolio management partner. We know Microsoft Project and can help you with all aspects of your project and portfolio management. We can also help you extend your PPM system with the Microsoft Power Platform or partner solutions like Portfolio Manager from UMP 360 to help you drive more ROI for your project and portfolio management system. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.